Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to try and help you have more control over your audio while streaming, and then also how to remove certain audio completely from your VODs. Whether this be Discord calls, music, or sound alerts in the background that you want removing so you can use your clips more efficiently without stuff in the background. Firstly, we're going to need to download Win Capture Audio. I'll drop the link in the description, and what we're going to do is go down to these assets and download this first file here, which is the easy setup, and we'll add it straight to your OBS. Once that is completed, you'll find in the menu down here that there's a new application audio output capture added to your inputs. Once we've got this, first thing we need to check is we go into settings, into audio. We'll make sure desktop audio is disabled on everything. That'll stop any audio going from your PC to your stream and your capture. Then what I did was I added a new scene called audio. And then in here, we're going to add all the audio sources that we're going to need throughout the stream in different scenes. So if we go to the add, in this add audio capture, and we'll call this one Spotify because we want to add some music to our stream. All we do is go into this menu, make sure everything's selected correctly, and we'll go to session. We'll find Spotify, then we have to add it. Anything in this list will be added to that audio channel. You can see down here we've got a new audio channel, and we can adjust that freely, completely different to any of the others. Once that's added, we can add as many as we want into this list. You just have to select a new one and add it all differently, but they will all be on the same audio channel. Once we've done this, we can add another one. Say if we wanted to add Discord, we'll add another one for Discord. And then we'll go down, find Discord, we'll add that in. As you can see, this breaks up the different audio channels, so they can all be adjusted individually. Then what we're going to do is you can follow this route and add every program that you need. The only problem with this is you'll have to add every game individually, which could take a while, and I know I definitely would. Might end up forgetting a few. Or the other route is if we go to the add and add audio capture again, if we call this one desktop, and we'll set this up to capture everything else apart from the other audio channels. So what we do, we go down to this little check mark here, and we'll tick that on, and that will do everything completely opposite of removing. So in the first ones that added it in this time, it will remove everything except it'll remove everything in this list, and it will add everything else. So if we go down to here and select Spotify and add that one, we'll go to Discord. We'll add that one in as well. That way it will remove Spotify and Discord both from this audio channel, and this will pick up everything else that you'll have on your computer. Once that's done, all we need to do is if we go into live, then in here, you can do this on multiple different scenes. All you do is add, go to scene and add the audio scene, and that'll add everything that we've added in there to this list, and it will add it on each scene that you do this on. We'll just give it a quick test. So If I quickly play some music through Spotify, we should see the Spotify one change and none of the others. So that one seems to be working fine. And then, say if we pull up, we'll pull up a video on the internet, and we'll play that, and that should come through the desktop one. And that one seems to be working fine also. I suppose Discord you'd have to test with people in, but everything seems to be working fine. That is all you need to do to set up the different audio channels. But then to split the audio again, so for me personally, I don't want my music going to my VODs, so I can save the clips and stuff and use it for editing again. If we go down to one of the little cogs, it doesn't really matter which one. We'll go to Advanced Audio Properties. And then in here, we've got all the different channels. And all we do is go to Spotify and uncheck the two. Number one for me is all my stream stuff. So anything that we have checked in here will go to stream. And anything under number 2 will go to my VODs. For that to work, we just want to quickly check that if we go to settings and go to audio, is it? No, output, sorry. We just check that this Twitch VOD tracks is ticked, and we'll just make sure that audio track has number 1 and VOD track is checked on number 2. And if that's all alright, then I've tested this a couple of times. Every audio will go through your stream that you have added in these lists, and anything that you have in here that's checked off number 2 will not go over to your videos afterwards. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.